The Green Team. Once upon a time in a small village, there was a group of children called the Green Team. They loved nature and wanted to help the environment. One sunny Saturday, they decided to clean their village park. The team met at the park with bags and gloves. They saw many things on the ground: plastic bottles, candy wrappers, and old papers. "Let's pick up all this trash," said Mia, the leader of the group. Everyone agreed and started working together. As they cleaned, they found beautiful flowers and even a small bird's nest in a tree. "Look how pretty this park is," said Tom, one of the team members. "We need to take care of it." After a few hours, the park looked clean and green again. The children felt proud of their hard work. They took a break and sat on a bench. "What can we do to keep the park clean?" asked Sarah. "We can tell our friends to throw trash in bins," suggested Mia. "And we can have a cleanup day every month." Everyone liked this idea. They wanted to share their love for the environment with others. From that day on, the Green Team met every month. They taught their friends about recycling and protecting nature. The village became a cleaner and happier place. The children learned that small actions can make a big difference. They felt like heroes for their environment. And so the Green Team continued to spread their message, reminding everyone that caring for the earth is important for all of us.